So I want to take a deep dive into one of my longest running, most consistent algorithms. This is the comeback kid. This is an algorithm that I built back in 2021. And you can see the tracked account from October 16th to current date. And it's been making a consistent profit every single month for the last 2 years. Now, this isn't an algorithm that's going to make 50 to 100% a month. This is about consistency and the long term of growing an account at a slower pace. Now, this is great for running at prop firms like FTMO and Myfxbook because it's only making 2% profit a month, and it's actually staying within the drawdown limits. I know that Myfxbook is staying here, that it's 11.4% drawdown, but if you go to the stats and how they're being picked up at Fxmerg, it's showing only 4.29%. So this discrepancy, I wanted to check to make sure, and you can see when I pull up a statement from MetaTrader 5, you can see the drawdown is showing 4.29%. So that's actually pretty impressive that the comeback kid has been able to run for 2 years without breaking the drawdown limit of prop firms. So you can see that this is something that's pretty powerful, especially if you have a funded account at MyForex or FTMO. The comeback kid is part algorithm, part trade manager. So I wanted to build something that allowed traders more freedom in time when being a full-time trader. And this gives that flexibility. This is what the MetaTrader 5 version of the comeback kid looks like. You can see the trade panel over here on the left side. It shows a lot of helpful information. These are all the indicators that you can just load up on chart. Every comeback kid comes with all these indicators that help and guide you into becoming a skilled trader. And they're also part of the comeback kid's system as well and how it trades. The algo is super simple to use. It's basically a trend trading system. It looks for pullbacks within the larger trend. So it's how everybody wants to approach the market, but kind of fails to have success with. You can see the comeback kid in its auto taken trades right here and also right here. So it looks for price to push up and take the position near a support and resistance level, and then fall back down, take 20 to 30 pips profit. You can actually see the recent trade up here where it pushed up, got a signal, and fell back down, and it took 2 trades. So one trade here, both of them closed out in profit. So this is the kind of idea that the comeback kid bases its methodology off of. It's looking for long, strong trends and looking for pullbacks within that so it can find that continuation. So I want to give you guys a hypothetical situation. So let's say the comeback kid isn't seeing any good auto trading opportunities for that day, and you happen to sit at your desk and you see an opportunity to potentially make 20 pips profit on the Euro-US dollar. So basically what you want to do is you just click on one of the buy or sell buttons. I'm going to click on the buy and allow the comeback kid to manage this position. So you can actually see the trade taken right here. You can see the green take profit line of 20 pips, and we're going to see what the comeback kid does. Is it going to enter more trades? Is it going to average in, or is it going to hit its target? So we're going to wait and see. Okay, so it just entered a second position. So you can see the 3 green dotted lines, right? These are support levels for that day, and they change every day. You can see the previous day support and resistance lines, and the red ones are resistance, the green ones are support, and it allows the comeback kid to basically adapt to what it's seeing in the market for that day. So we'll allow this to play out and see how the comeback kid manages this position. So it's got 3 trades in the market now, and it's just about to hit its take profit point. Let's see if it hits. Okay, so it just closed out those 3 trades. So trade taken by me, second trade taken by the algo, second trade taken by the algo, and it was around that key level of support. And it was able to find that bounce and close out the 3 trades for an average in profit. Back on July 10th, I started this test account with just $3,000 to ease myself back into manual trading again. So the idea is to basically show consistency on this account and then add $15,000, $20,000 when I'm feeling comfortable. The idea is to make 3 to 5% a month and trying to keep drawdown really low. So you can see my trading account here. Actually, I'm in a trade right now on the pound USD. Dipped down a little bit and currently shooting back up in about 20 pips profit. So I plan to keep showing this account on my YouTube channel to show the process and the progress of growing an account at 3 to 5% using hybrid trading and the comeback kit. Using a commercial algorithm at a prop firm has been difficult because the prop firm can suspend your account for copy trading or similar trades because other people have that same algorithm. So it makes for a really difficult time taking challenges or trading on funded accounts. That's where the Comeback Kid comes in and is able to distinguish itself as being different is because you can use the buy and sell buttons to basically force start trade sequences that are different than everybody else's out there. Because it all matters on where you place that first trade, and the Comeback Kid will adapt and basically move that trade into profit by averaging in around support and resistance levels. And every trade sequence will be different from the other person, so there's no way that the prop firm can suspend your account because you're going to look like you're a pro trader even though you're using an algorithm. Recently, I shared a video of me losing 27% manually trading, so without any algorithmic help. And I felt so alone in doing that, and it was really difficult because traders need help. We can't do this alone because it just gets so difficult to manage the markets, manage your trades when you're not at your desk, when you're trying to sleep. It makes for a lot of stress in your life. And I built the Comeback Kid to basically combat that. And I decided that my ego was too powerful and I could trade profitably without the Comeback Kid, even though I spent so much time building this for myself. So, I got a little lost there, but I realized that the Comeback Kid is actually way more powerful than I initially thought. I have now been testing it with other algorithms, other strategies, and other manual trading strategies to see how robust that recovery system with taking trades around support and resistance levels and averaging in the positions into profit and doing that on autopilot. And I tested this out and it shows that there's a lot of power behind the Comeback Kid and its ability to profit no matter what strategy that you're putting up against it. It's recommended to use 5 of the major trading pairs for the best results. So you can see a backtest that I ran here on the EU from 2003 all the way to 2023, so 20 years. And I used paid tick data to give me the best hypothetical results, to give me an idea of just how powerful and robust the strategy actually is over the long term. You can see the low drawdown of just 16% over that 20-year period on the EU. I made a walkthrough video of all the trades that were taken on this account. If you'd like to check that out, you can visit my Discord group, and the video was released in the announcement section. Anyway, thanks everybody so much for watching. Catch you on the next one.